Today we have a Squier Affinity Strat, and it's a guitar that I got to do a little project work on. I cleaned it up, fixed it up, and now I've got a couple things left to do. Specifically today, I'll show you how to use the toothpick trick on these holes in the back where the screws don't line up. This guitar came with no rear cover plate for the body cavity, so I ordered a couple different ones online. This one fit the best. 4 out of 6 of the screw holes aligned perfectly, and I had extra screws and stuff, so I used them for those 4. But if you look closely, those front 2 screw holes don't align perfectly. And rather than just leave it without them, I want to put the correct screws in there, so that's what I'm going to do. Normally the toothpick trick is used for holes that are too big or are stripped in the body of a guitar, and you would take the toothpick, stick it in the hole, snap it off, or trim it and then pound it down a little bit with a suitable punch, which is probably what we're going to do today, and then it fills the hole in. Now normally you would do that when you're going to reuse the exact same hole. Today I'm not going to reuse the exact same hole. I'm going to fill in these holes and then see what it's like right next to them. I might possibly drill a small pilot hole depending on what they look like after I fill them in with the toothpick. So, toothpick trick is put the toothpick in there, snap it off, just like that. I push it down in as hard as I can, as far as it'll go, and then just snap it off. Now to get these little teeny pieces that are sticking up down in there, I'm going to get a tiny little punch and tap them down. Okay, so I've put the toothpicks in, tapped them down, put the screws back in the plate that lined up correctly. I did not tighten them all the way down. I'm now going to take this awl, pointy awl, and mark a dot over each hole approximately where I need to drill. And then I'm going to take a tiny little drill bit, I don't know what size yet because I haven't gotten it out, and drill just the beginning of a pilot hole in each one of those. There's so much material missing right next to it, I don't want to go too far. I don't think the paint's going to crack because there's so much relief already there from the old holes. Okay, I ended up just poking a hole in there with the little awl tool that I have. And like I said in the beginning, I have extra parts for this that I bought on Amazon. I got a whole little package of different size screws for guitars. What I'm going to do next is rub a little bit of this beeswax on the threads of those screws and put them in. And there's the finished product. They snugged right in there thanks to the little pieces of wood from the toothpick filling up the gap. It looks good. It's protected. It's not flopping around. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So, if you ever need to use the toothpick trick, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.